Hey guys, just out at Asda in Wigan, hunting down Hot Wheels. Let's go in, let's see what they've got. I'll see you in there, guys. Right guys, well it looks like they've got 2 boxes full here. Not a Hot Wheels box, we've got a Dynaforce box, but yeah, nice big tin as well. How much are they in here? Oh, £1.90 in Asda. Not a bad price at all, to be honest. Let's go through, see what we can find, guys. Let's jump straight in. First up, we got the 2015 Mazda MX-5 Miata. Really nice livery on this thing. Like weird minty, I would say seafoam green on this. Lots of details. Actually a really nice casting to start with. Let's pop that up here. I found a couple of those though. Oh, another good casting. The Porsche 911 Carrera RS in yellow. Pretty nice. I do love that contrast in black and yellow. I think black and yellow works really well. The wheels on this thing, you could possibly confuse them for being premium. Yeah, and it is from the Factory Fresh set, which is a fantastic set. Definitely look out for any Factory Fresh. I'll pop that up here too. Let's keep going. Oh, it's just like piled high in here, guys. There's definitely going to be some damaged cards, isn't there? Oh, nice. The Mad Mike Drift Attack in that matte grey. I found this in Lidl recently. It's one of the newer cases, isn't it? Is it C or D case, this thing? This is based on a Mazda, as you can tell. It's kind of like got the Mazda front end on there, but nice little signature there from Mad Mike as well. It's also got his logo over here, MM. Very cool, from the Hot Wheels modified set. Pop that up here. Let's keep going. BMW i8 Roadster. This is from last year, isn't it? 2023, yeah. Pretty cool in black. You can get it in silver with brown leather seats as well. I think that version's a little bit better than this. Does have some good detail on the back though. Badge on the front, but no headlights, unfortunately. Put that here. Ooh, and here's what could have been a super treasure hunt. The 2018 Camaro SS. Unfortunately, it's just the standard mainline. As you can tell, there's no stamp, no rubber wheels on this thing, and normally you get a different type of wheel as well. Also that Spectra Flame paint, it ain't shining this one. Gotta keep your eye out for them supers, guys. Put that down there. Oh, here's a good Mazda. It's the Savannah RX-7 from 1989. This is pretty cool, classic RX-7 shape. Got a lot of detailing on the back there as well. You can see the Hot Wheels license plate, RX-7 over the brake lights. Pretty damn cool, but very battered. I will say that it is absolutely munched to this card, and I do already have this. 80 set, guys, from 2023, one of the best sets of 2023, so definitely look out for that if you see them around. Oh, here's a great one. It's the McLaren Solus, and it's got that like electric blue that looks like electricity in that pattern. Very cool. Do like the colorways on this thing. Looks really nice. Does say McLaren on the front there, which is cool as well. I think I prefer this over the white variant, which was from last year. This variant's pretty cool. Yeah, I'll pop that to one side. Oh, here's a great one. It's the custom 68 Camaro in the second variant, which is 2024. I think this might be from A-Case. A little bit damage to the card. Really like the way that they put this casting together. You can see through to the engine bay as well under the hood. Nice wheels on this as well, but because of the damage, I will be leaving that. Let's see what else we've got. We've got a twin mill from the Braille Racers. Oh, nice! It's the Night Dragon, which is the 2024 Year of the Dragon car from the Celebration Racers set. Very nice. It is called Night Dragon, and it is a knight driving a dragon, so what more can you want, guys? Really cool. Definitely a good collectible piece from this year. I do have this already, but I've not got it open, so yeah, I'll pop that to one side. Last three cars in this box. We've got a 57 Jeep FC, which is pretty damn cool. We have a Hot Wheels 4-track. Last but not least, oh, nice! It's the 55 Chevy Bel Air Gasser with that collector livery. Actually looks really good. Blown out engine, wheels lifted at the front from the reverse rake set as well. Yeah, it definitely does look like a New York Taxi, doesn't it? But in orange. I wonder if the collector is like a proper brand or something. I'll need to have a look into that. I'll throw it up on the screen if it is. But obviously for us collectors, that's really cool. Shame on the damaged card, because I would have liked to keep this one carded, but maybe I'll open this one then. Let's pop that to one side. So we've emptied that first box. Let's move on to the second box now and see what they've got, guys. Fingers crossed for something good. We've got the 73 Jeep J10, which is a really good one. We've got the 2019 Ford Ranger Raptor with that HKS Performance livery. I love that style. I want to see more castings with this HKS livery on it, because it's pretty damn cool, isn't it? The 1956 Corvette, which is the Ken one. I'm still wondering if the premium set ever came out. Maybe I missed it, but you can see it's got the Barbie movie stamp on it up there. But this is a really cool looking Corvette with that flame decal on the side. Nice cream seats as well in there. And it does have Ken on the license plate on the front. No license plate on the back though, which is a shame, but yeah, this is a cool one. What else have we got in here? We've got the Lotus Emira from Factory Fresh. We've got a, oh, nice. It's the purple Nissan Skyline RS KDR 30. Really good. You can see it says RS Turbo on the back there. This is from the Japanese import set. Really nice livery. Great golden wheels on this thing. Yeah, really like this one. Let's pop this to one side. I do have this already. I did find the variant, which is a khaki green colour in Smith's the other week. But yeah, nice to see this one. I think I've only got it once, so I'll take this so I can let my other one loose. Well, whichever one's damaged, whichever card's damaged the most, I'll let that loose. Right, what else have we got? Oh, we've got a pretty nice Volkswagen T2 pickup. I do like this colourway. I like the fact that it's got like a matte grey with the white around the edge there. Really cool that it's got the chrome bed as well as the chrome seats in there. White underneath with the big engine at the back. Huge exhaust sticking out, you know, because these things do have huge engines inside them. I think someone was telling me that these things have a Porsche engine in them, do they? I don't know. I'll have to have a look into that. But really cool from the Hot Wheels Hot Trucks set. Definitely a good looking cast in this. Let's pop that up here. Let's keep going. Oh, nice. It's the Honda Civic Si. And I don't actually have this one. A lot of collectors are chasing this at the moment because we all know golden castings. They get bought up like hotcakes, guys, golden castings. So, and this one is one of the nicest ones that they've actually done. It's A lot of people will think that there's a load of hype around this thing, but if you do look at the detail on it, you've got loads of detail on the back there with the badge, you've got Civic, you've got license plate with Hot Wheels on, you've got a nice exhaust, you've got the red rim around the wheels there, you've got the gold with the red interior, black carbon bonnet, and it does actually look like carbon as well if you take a good look. Really, really well done. And then they've got a badge on the front and the headlights as well. This is one of the nicest looking mainline Civics that they've released for a long time. So I can see why a lot of collectors are after this thing. Yeah, very, very happy to see it. I have not seen one before. So yeah, I'll pop that to one side and I'll be adding that to the collection 100%. Let's keep going, guys. We're on fire right now. Oh, and I say we're on fire, and there's a BMW 507, not the Super Treasure Hunt, unfortunately, just the main line, but still really, really nice classic casting this. Love the fact that it's got those stickers on there, and it does look like they've just like been randomly stuck on the car. Nice BMW badges too. Wheels look good. Great little casting. Do have this one non-super, not found the super yet. So pop that in there and let's keep hunting. Oh, the 1978 Dodge Little Red Express truck. This is from the Celebration Racers set, and it does have 2024 stamped on the card. I have a damaged card version of this, which I've let loose, so I will definitely be picking this up. And you can see there on the side, it does say, "Will you be my Valentine?" Oh, it's actually lost some of the detailing on the side there. Oh, that sucks, man, but well. I'll still take it. Definitely a good one to have with the stamp up there. Let's keep going. Proton Saga, which is massive in Malaysia. I think it's completely off the shelves in Malaysia, and you can't actually find this anywhere, even on eBay. I think they're selling out like crazy. So yeah, guys, just fly over to the UK and trade some castings with me, and I'll get you one of these. Really, really cool to see these though. I do actually really like compact kings myself. I love small form cars. This does remind me of like a very old Ford Sierra, which my dad had. Very nostalgic. Very cool. I'll pop that to one side actually. I do like seeing the Saga out here. Oh, nice. It's the Audi RS e-tron GT. Very, very good casting. I've actually seen the life-size version of this car on the road, and it is a brilliant looking car, guys. What the heck is that little blue dot on the back there? Someone's signing this thing. Defects all over the place, Hot Wheels. Jesus. You need to get your quality control in check. But this thing goes hard on the detailing. Look at the badges, guys. Very, very cool. Yeah, I love this, and there's going to be a few different colours of this out. So keep your eye out for these things, guys, because I think they're going to sell pretty well. And by the end of the year, you're not going to be finding these. So yeah, very clean casting from the Green Speed set it is. Let's keep going. Very, very cool Volkswagen ID Buzz, which is an electric version of those old Volkswagen hippie vans. It is an electric version of that. Absolutely love this. Seeing a few of these on the road, very pleased to see them. They're very, they do make you smile as they go past, guys. And I bet they're proper roomy on the inside, aren't they? We've got ID Buzz on the back there and on the license plate. Really, really clean. Cool details on that. Batmobile, not the Super though, guys, not the treasure hunt, guys. We got a Croc Rock, a hologram, and last but not least, we've got a 62 Corvette. Really, really nice. Damaged card, unfortunately. Yeah, this is a cool old race car shape. You do get the badge on the side there. Go Faster stripes in silver on that bolt gun metal colour. Really, really cool from the Then and Now set. This is 2023, isn't it? Yeah. It's a shame that it doesn't have Corvette written over the front on the bonnet there, but c'est la vie, what can you do? I don't know. Right, great stuff. Really cool casting. Unfortunately, the damaged card, and I would have collected it on the card. But that's everything, guys. I'm going to clean everything up here, and then we'll have a look and see what we got. Well, guys, we found some really awesome Hot Wheels to add to the collection in Asda today. Really, really pleased with that Honda Civic especially. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.